Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw and categorize payments in Xero step by step clearly. To withdraw and categorize payments in Xero, start by logging into your Xero account. Navigate to the dashboard and click on the Accounting tab. From the drop-down menu, select Bank Accounts. Choose the bank account from which you want to withdraw the payment. Click on the Manage Account button. Select Get Bank Statements to ensure your transactions are up to date. Once your bank statement is loaded, click on the Bank Statement option. Find the payment you wish to withdraw. Click on the transaction to open the details. Select Match to categorize the transaction. Choose the appropriate invoice or transaction that corresponds to the payment. If there's no matching invoice, click Add to create a new transaction. Fill in the necessary details such as the date, amount, and payment method. Select the relevant category for the expense from the drop-down menu. Save your changes once all details are filled out. Go back to the bank reconciliation screen. Confirm that the payment appears correctly categorized. Repeat the process for any additional payments you need to categorize. Once all transactions are categorized, click on Reconcile to finalize. Review your bank reconciliation summary to ensure everything matches. You have now successfully withdrawn and categorized payments in Xero. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.